Pastitaly. Pasta always perfectly al dente. Automatic, cooks in less than 3 minutes. Pastitaly is made in Italy. Modular and automatic, Pastitaly is matched with a vending machine which manages the whole programming and control. The dispenser can run from 1 to 10 Pastitaly machines, and each one at full capacity cooks in less than 3 minutes. Using the preferred payment card or cash, it is possible to select the menu, which is identified with a number. Pastitaly menu includes the pasta dish that can be drawn from the machine, the sauce and the cutlery kit. During the selection of the menu, the dispenser delivers a receipt where you can find the order number matched with the selected pasta dish and the number of the Pastitaly which supplies it. Each machine can work 24 hours a day, guaranteeing a constant level of productivity and high quality. Pastitaly is a perfect solution for public and private places with a high customer volume, like airports, shopping centres and staff canteens.